So hi guys, I am Ajit, student of this international institute, and we are going to play a reporter game here, in which I am going to explore some question about. I'll ask some question to you guys, and you need to answer that. So let's start with this guy. Hi.
Hi, sir.
So can I take few minutes of you?
Yes, sir, of course.
So there's a lot of things happening in India, and the biggest thing is Ambani wedding. I would
Yes.
say. Do you have some answer to that?
Yeah, I have little bit knowledge about the Ambani wedding because of lots of actors and lots of some rich person like went to in the Ambani wedding. So it is a good sound for our side, and one thing also but I think in the Ambani wedding Jio company recharge is increased, so I think it is not a good for.
So I believe you are a Geo user then.
Yeah, I have a two SIM, one Jio and one Airtel, and both are
Okay,
increased.
so what about they are inviting so many celebrities. So which who was your favorite in that?
Okay, so I don't like any kind of the celebrity. About every celebrity just speak and I don't know which kind of the mindset. Just advertisement as like a pan masala and as well as some kind of game as I can say satta. So I don't like any kind of the.
Okay, thank you for your perspective. Let's move towards different people. So hi,
Hello.
what's your name?
My name is Faisal.
Hi Faisal. So I was asking about Ambani wedding. So they were also doing some welfare things like feeding poor people. What are your views about that?
So I know about the Ambani wedding. So in the Ambani wedding, I watched the Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan stand in a stage, and one song will have to play. But Salman Khan said my song will play. But Shah Rukh Khan says why your song will play? My song will play. So after that, Amir Khan.
And what about poor peoples? Like they were feeding the poor peoples as a bhandara kind of thing. So what about this?
So poor people's the Ambani about the poor people's is right because the poor people's get the some benefits of that and poor is apart from the.
I understand. Thank you for your perspective, and I appreciate that. Okay, so we get to know about something from Ambani's wedding. Now let's move towards the World Cup that we have recently won. It's the biggest celebration in India. Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Prince.
Prince. There's a lot of happening things in India, and the biggest thing I would say. India win the World Cup. So what about your thoughts?
I was very happy. India lifted their the second World Cup, which was very outstanding. But there was the point. From that point, I was feeling very disappointed because the Virat Kohli was saying this was my last T20 World Cup for playing India, and as well the Rohit Sharma also. And after it, I got about the Jaddu, who was a very great all-rounder for us. So those types of things which hurted me a lot.
Okay, thank you for your perspective. Let's move towards the kid stand.
Give the review long review.
Okay, so here we get to know about some facts about retirement of the Virat Kohli as well as the Jadeja, which key players of the Indian teams. And so let's move towards the other peoples. So hi, what's your name?
My name is Arnav.
Arnav.
Yes.
Hi Arnav. So do you watch cricket?
Yes, I am watch cricket.
So India just recently won the World Cup. So what about your thoughts? Retiring Virat Kohli is retired, Rohit Sharma as well.
I am very happy India is win the World Cup, and in 13 years ago India win the World Cup and he win the trophy, and it is very good. And in retired are Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma and Ravindra Jadeja also. It is very good all-rounder, and Virat Kohli said that.
What about Hardik Pandya's comeback?
Yes, Hardik Pandya is good, and in Hardik Pandya comeback in last 3 over, first is he is out the Klaasen, and it is very good because the Klaasen is very good player, and he also give the 6-4 runs, and he is win the match. And in that time match is very hard. He is give a 6 and 4. So he is
Okay,
coming.
thank you for your contribution towards this video. So we get to know something about World Cup and all. Like there were a few players from the Australian team, like Klaasen and all, who were they could have won the World Cup just because of their shots. And about the retirement, people are still in shocks about Rohit Sharma and the retirement of that. So let's move towards the other people as well. So hi sir, what's your name?
Radhe.
Radhe. Hi Radhe. So let's speak about like peoples are getting too internet cozy things. So can you share something? How it is impactful on mind?
Sorry, please ask another question.
Like peoples are using internet a lot, like rather than usual. So that thing is impacting the people's mind. So what about your thoughts?
Yes, actually it is that because as you know, all internet companies are very cheap, as say low price net. So all peoples are afford it. And as we see, all persons have no work that as the student. If he is on home, so he's take phone and open Instagram.
Yeah.
So I think now all applications is now owners make that. Yes.
Do you think giving access to the internet access of the internet to the children, to our children's system, maybe younger ones, so is it good or bad?
Actually it is a bad, because as we know, internet is how we can use, but I think children's is not used to good way. So that's it.
So, thank you for your perspective. So we get to know about some facts about internet and the access of the internet in the childs in our houses, and about let's move towards a different perspective. So hi, what's your name?
So my name is Mayank.
Mayank. Okay, so I like your body. So you are a bodybuilder kind of person? Or
Yes,
something?
I am doing gym since last 4 months.
For 4 months. So
Yes.
what are the changes that you have observed?
So like many different changes, like in my face, glow are upcoming, and if you're thinking about like my weight is gaining, and many type of exercise I will doing, so it's a more beneficial for my body, internal and outer health also.
So what do you suggest the Indian peoples about like gym and all? Should they do it or not?
Indian people should work out at least 45 minutes, because if we are going anywhere, we are doing any type of work of ours, so we need to relax our mind. So how we can relax? By the peace, like workout, exercise and yoga, these type of things, so it's more beneficial. And after that we take good diet, so
it will be contradicting, but what about yoga?
So yoga is a very good, because by the yoga we feel flexible also, and our body maintain, and our mind is a very good, and in a meditation also we have a good results in our body.
Okay,
So that
thank
is
you
the
for
good
your
part.
perspective. So we get to know about some facts about gym and all. We also have. So we have we need.